The chicken balls are very light, very soft. Cutting chicken thighs into chunks before I mince them. Chicken thighs are probably one of the humble ingredients that I use most of the time in my kitchen. Mixing chicken thighs in food processor. These are sun-dried tomatoes in oil, pitted olives, onion. Let's start mixing all the ingredients. That's the chicken thighs, sun-dried tomatoes, onions, and olives. All-purpose flour, ricotta cheese, fresh marjoram. I love fresh marjoram for chicken. Paprika, salt and pepper. Mix it with the best tools in the kitchen. Making chicken balls. I'm breaking spaghetti into bite size, about 1 inch long. This is today's video. I have polpettini di pollo, spaghetti boiling now, and we have brodo for the meatballs. This is the brodo. I'm cooking chicken balls in broth, polpettini di pollo al brodo. Spaghetti is already cooked.